How to automate monthly business report with n8n no-code AI automation workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate monthly business report using n8n, a powerful no-code AI automation platform. You'll learn how to pull data automatically from Google Sheets, generate summaries, and send businesses reports to your email, all through Workflow Automation without writing a single line of code. Let's build this automation step by step. First step is to create a new workflow. Open your n8n dashboard and create a new workflow. This will be a full AI automation for your business reporting process, 100% no code. Start with a cron trigger. Set it to run automatically on the first day of every month at 8 a.m. You type this 8 and every day at 8 a.m. so your report generation happens without any manual action. This is what makes workflow automation powerful, consistent, repeatable task powered by AI logic. Next, add a Google Sheet node to fetch your business data. In my case, I have sales, expenses, and profit columns. This node connects n8n with your real-time data source. That's the foundation of every no-code automation system. Now, let's summarize the data. Add an aggregate node and calculate total sales, total expenses, and the net profit. With no-code tools like n8n, you can automate calculation visually. No Excel formulas, no coding. Next, use a set node to create a clean summary message. For example, monthly report summary, total sales, JSON total sales, total expenses, JSON total expenses, and net profit, JSON net profit. This is your AI generated report created visually with no code automation. Finally, add an email node to send your report automatically. You can connect Gmail node, Outlook, or SMTP and send your report to your team, your clients, or yourself. From email, your email, to email also the email around gmail.com, your email, and on the subject will be monthly business report automated by n8n. This closes the loop for a full AI automation workflow. Now let's review the whole workflow. So, you have the cron trigger, the Google Sheets, the aggregate set, and the email. This is how you fully automate monthly business report with n8n, fast, simple, and reliable. And that's how you automate monthly business report using n8n, completely no code and powered by AI automation. Subscribe for more workflow automation tutorials. I post new n8n automation every single day. Comment below what kind of business workflow you want me to automate next. Bye bye.